In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for a credit card with Revolut Business online. If you've been considering managing your business finances with Revolut, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the process step by step. To start with, the first thing you'll need to do is open a Revolut Business account. Head over to their sign up page and fill out the online form. During this initial setup, you'll be asked for some important details about your business, such as its legal type, registration number, and tax identification number. It's crucial to have these documents handy to ensure a smooth application process. Additionally, you'll need to upload necessary documents for both identity and business verification. Revolut takes these steps seriously to protect the integrity of its platform and ensure compliance with regulations. Once you've completed setting up your account, the next step is to choose a business plan. Revolut offers a variety of business plans, each with its own set of features. Consider the unique needs of your business and select the plan that aligns best with those. This decision will influence the available options and features you can access, so choose wisely. With your business account in place, you can now apply for a business card. To do this, log in to your Revolut business account and navigate to the cards section. Here, you'll follow a series of prompts to order either physical or virtual cards for you and your team. Each card type serves different purposes. Physical cards are perfect for in-person transactions, allowing ease of use for team members. On the other hand, virtual cards come in handy for online purchases and can be conveniently added to digital wallets like Apple Pay or Google Pay. If you're interested in a more premium touch, metal cards might be available depending on your selected plan. These are made from sleek stainless steel and offer a stylish, high-end look. Managing card usage with Revolut Business is straightforward and flexible. The platform provides robust tools to help you manage and control spending effectively. You can set specific spending limits based on categories, accounts, currencies, and even designate specific spend periods. Should you need to, you have the ability to lock and unlock cards as required. And for streamlined financial management, take advantage of their expense tracking feature. With this, you can capture receipts on the go and keep everything organized by syncing with your accounting software. Looking towards the future, Revolut has announced plans to introduce its first business credit product in Europe in 2025. This is an exciting development, although it's not yet available. Before we wrap up, it's important to note that if you're joining us from the Philippines, Revolut Business Services may have regional availability constraints. Be sure to confirm your eligibility to use their services in your location. That's how you can apply for a Revolut Business credit card online. Thanks for